Major new development in the case of accused CEO killer Luigi Mangione. The U.S. Attorney General has directed federal prosecutors to seek the death penalty.
Fox 6's Michelle Ross is live in Midtown with reaction to today's announcement. Michelle.
Natasha, Bianca, this will ultimately be up to the jury, even if this is something that the federal government wants. How it will play out is if the jury convicts Luigi Mangione, they will then have to separately deliberate on this issue and then unanimously agree on the death penalty. U.S. Attorney General Pam Bondi releasing a statement earlier today in which she says Luigi Mangione's murder of Brian Thompson, an innocent man and father of two young children, was a premeditated, cold-blooded assassination that shocked America. After careful consideration, I have directed federal prosecutors to seek the death penalty in this case as we carry out President Trump's agenda to stop violent crime and make America safe again. Mangione is accused of fatally shooting United Healthcare CEO Brian Thompson on December 4th outside the Hilton Hotel. A similar situation with the death penalty happened back in 2017 with the New York City truck attack on the West Side Highway when a man fatally mowed down 8 people. Federal prosecutors sought the death penalty then, but the jury couldn't agree on the death penalty. But this is what Pam Bondi is directing the prosecutors to do.
She's the Attorney General, and they're the faithful soldiers. They will go into federal court and do everything they can to have the death penalty imposed. But between them wanting to have the death penalty imposed, there is the jury that hears this as a separate issue, deliberates just on this after a verdict of guilty or not guilty, and has to decide, yes, all 12 of us unanimously believe the death penalty ought to be imposed.
Mangione's attorney, Karen Friedman-Gnifilo, also responding with a statement that reads in part, by seeking to murder Luigi Mangione, the Justice Department has moved from the dysfunctional to the barbaric. Their decision to execute Luigi is political and goes against the recommendation of the local federal prosecutors, the law, and historical precedent. While claiming to protect against murder, the federal government moves to commit the premeditated, state-sponsored murder of Luigi. Now, Mangione has yet to enter a plea deal on the federal charges. If convicted, he's only eligible for the death penalty because of that one federal charge, which is murder through the use of a firearm. With the state charges, he's not eligible because New York State got rid of the death penalty back in 2004. Mangione is due back in federal court on April 18th, and we will be there. We're live outside the Hilton Hotel in Midtown. Michelle Ross, Fox 5 News.